This is the show and tell of version 1.0 of my new app that is a health tracker. Let's call it Money's Wellness. I tried no-code tools about a year ago, Lovable and Vibecoding, and I then stopped and I tried again this weekend and I am totally hooked. I am a non-designer, non-coder, and I used the free version, meaning I used 10 minutes of the app roughly 4 days in a row, and this is what I built. It is absolutely amazing, and absolutely everyone, whether you work in product or not, in fintech or not, everyone should be playing with these tools. So I tried 2 tools, Lovable and then Gamma. I used Lovable to build the app, and then I used the same prompt from Lovable and I put it in Gamma, and Gamma built the landing page that is the one that you're seeing now. So I'll go silent and then I'll just do a quick demo and reach out if you want to see more features in there. I'll start updating frequently how the app is growing. Now my brain is like, whoa, I have so many ideas, not just for this app, but for so many. So enjoy, and most importantly, go and build something.